Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Here, we learn English through fun and inspiring stories. You can improve your listening, speaking, and vocabulary while enjoying amazing real-life stories. Let's begin today's story. Florence Nightingale, the lady with the lamp. Florence Nightingale was a brave and kind woman. She changed the world of healthcare forever. She was born in 1820 in Florence, Italy. Her parents were rich and well-educated. They gave her a good education. Since childhood, Florence loved helping sick people. She felt that caring for the sick was her life's purpose. Her family wanted her to live a comfortable life. But Florence had a different dream. She wanted to become a nurse. At that time, nursing was not a respected job for women. Still, she followed her heart. She studied nursing in Germany and England, learning modern medical practices and hygiene. In 1854, the Crimean War began. Many soldiers were dying from diseases and poor hospital conditions. Florence went to the war hospitals in Turkey. She worked day and night, cleaning the wards and caring for the wounded. At night, she walked through the hospital with a small lamp. The soldiers called her the lady with the lamp. Because of her hard work, the death rate dropped dramatically. She introduced new rules for cleanliness, healthy food, and better hospital management. After the war, Florence returned to England. She wrote books about nursing and public health. In 1860, she opened the first nursing school. She trained many nurses who followed her example. Florence Nightingale is remembered as the founder of modern nursing. Her life teaches us courage, dedication, and compassion. Today, nurses around the world follow her principles, helping millions of people every day. Thank you for watching this story about Florence Nightingale. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories in English.